Understanding code review sessions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential concept in the world of software development: code review sessions. If you're curious about how developers ensure their code is efficient, clean, and error-free, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and learn why code reviews are a cornerstone of quality programming. A code review session is a process where developers systematically examine each other's code before it is merged into the main project. This practice aims to catch bugs, ensure consistency, and foster learning among team members. Imagine it as a peer-checking activity where the goal is to improve the overall quality of the software. It's not just about finding mistakes, it's also an opportunity to share knowledge and insights. Why are code reviews so crucial? First, they help identify errors early in the development process, saving time and resources later on. Second, they ensure that the code meets the project's quality standards and follows the best practices. Lastly, code reviews are great for knowledge sharing. They allow developers to learn from each other, understand different parts of the project, and discover new techniques and solutions. Conducting an effective code review session involves several key steps. 1. Preparation. The author of the code provides context and any necessary documentation to help reviewers understand the changes. 2. Examination. Reviewers go through the code, looking for errors, potential improvements, and adherence to coding standards. 3. Feedback. Reviewers comment on the code, suggesting improvements or asking for clarifications. 4. Discussion. The author and reviewers discuss the feedback, resolving any disagreements and deciding on the best approaches. 5. Action. The author makes the necessary changes based on the feedback. The process may repeat until everyone is satisfied with the outcome. For code reviews to be effective, participants should follow these best practices. Be respectful and constructive. Feedback should be aimed at the code, not the person. Offer suggestions for improvement rather than criticism. Keep it focused. Avoid trying to redesign the whole project. Concentrate on the changes at hand. Communicate clearly. Be specific with comments and questions to avoid misunderstandings. Learn and share. Use the opportunity to share knowledge and learn from the feedback received. Code review sessions are more than just finding bugs. They're about improving code quality, fostering team collaboration, and sharing knowledge. By understanding and implementing effective code review practices, development teams can significantly enhance the quality of their software products. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and process of code reviews. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.